Hey guys, how's it going? How to create stunning videos in seconds. So you can leverage ChatGPT because ChatGPT has a lot of plugins that allows you to create or generate text to a video. So I'm gonna click right here, the two bars at the top left, and I'm gonna click Explore GPT. Right? So I'm gonna search for vid.io. Right? A tool that allows me to create or generate videos just by typing text. So I already typed in my text, or I already have a script, right? Just no time limit. Make sure that you add the requirements because you don't want your free trial to run out. So no time limit. Good vibes, and select the atmosphere, like chilling, for example. Right? Woman voice. Confirm. If there is any additional questions, you're gonna be able to see right here. They want to confirm that you wrote that script. Right? Just hit continue in ChatGPT. Now they're gonna start creating the video, and I'm gonna always allow, and you're gonna give them access, of course. Eventually you're gonna be able to see a link generated so you can see the whole video, right? And then click the highlighted word right here, click here to review video, and you'll be redirected to the vid.io. You're gonna of course see the video being generated. Now they're trying to finish up, right? It won't take a lot, so just wait for a few moments. Be patient, and then you're gonna be able to see the final results. And as you can see right here, you're gonna be able to see the final results. So hit accept and continue, and then play your video. Let me remove any music that can cause copyright. Confirm. Okay. Yeah, let me remove the music. Select music, confirm. Now I'm gonna play the video.
Maintaining good health is essential for a fulfilling life. It's built on 4 key pillars.
Now if you like what you see, you can just hit down at the top right and then download it with watermark. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.